Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For the first time, let us say thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has given health and safety graces for all of us. And then let me introduce myself. My name is Nilufar Azmi. You can call me Nilufar. I'm 19 years old. I'm come from Sumeneb, Madura. My hobby is traveling and cooking. And now I will talk about my summary. Waste management. Waste is waste generated from a production process, both industrial and domestic. Various type of waste in the forms of garbage, latrine water, and wastewater from various other domestic activity. Processing of B3 waste or hazardous toxic material. The first is domestic solid waste. Organic solid waste can be used as animal feed so that it more useful in terms of economy-based coconut coir cells. The condition of solid waste can cause air pollution in the form of unpleasant odors from rotting garbage and burning garbage. Besides that, there is also water pollution due to indiscriminate disposal of garbage and leakage slipping from landfills to settlement and water. Search for the resident. There is also about pressure on the environment. The problem that makes it difficult to control the landfill is the uncontrolled use or utilization of plastic as a means of wrapping, packing, and goods container, as well as product protection. The obstacles in waste management are the lack of coordination between organs relates to the lack of public awareness and weak regulation when waste is beyond. It will release hazardous material into the environment. Next is waste management. Waste management is the collection, transportation, processing, reselling of waste material. This sentence usually refers to waste material that are generated from human activity and are usually managed to reduce their impact on health, the environment, or aesthetic. And then there are four concepts from the waste management hierarchies. Reduce. The first is reduce, namely reducing waste from the source. And then the stress is to raise waste. And then recovery. It makes effort for the recovery of usable material recycle, namely utilizing waste to product other product. Carry out waste management by meeting environmental requirements and line building in environmentally friendly landfilling. And then dangerous toxic material. Hazardous and toxic material often emerge as B3 are substantial energy and or other compound, which due to their nature, concentration, and or quantity, either directly or indirectly, can produce and or damage the environment, endangering the environment's health and survival, human life and other living things. In the condition of toxic and hazardous material, there are hundreds of B3 compound which might in the short or long term harm human health and the environment if not managed properly. And then the energy of environmental impact. Effort to prevent basic pollution are by monitoring the amount of chemical circulation and entering the territory of Indonesia and start prohibiting cross-border movement, especially chemicals that are prohibited and limits in their use. And then furthermore, there is B3 waste and B3 management effort. B3 management is regulated in the Rotterdam Bright Convention or regulate cross-border chemicals that are not used. The Stockholm Convention prohibits the use of 20 types of box-type chemical. B3 waste is focused at the Indonesia Waste Management Center. Pressure on the factory often directly dispose of the resulting B3 waste to the ground without being processed. An example is stockpiling B3 waste at the factory site. Some example of B3 waste generated by domestic household include used air freshener, clothes bleach, laundry detergent, bedroom cleaner, glass or window cleaner, floor cleaner, wood polisher, oven cleaner, insect repellent, adhesive glue, hairspray, and battery. Hazardous waste characteristics. The first cars, there is corrosive properties, has aerating properties, including radioactive material, contamination may cause irritation, easy to explode, easy to burn, and then has reactive properties. Thank you for your attention. The following is the result of summary. Thank you very much for your great attention. If there is wrong word, please forgive me. And if you have any question, please comment in the comment column. Okay, see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.